My name is TJ Merrell, and I am a territory manager at Allied. Being part of the Allied team means being part of a large group of industry experts that are all focused on meeting clients' needs throughout the construction process. Allied is very unique in the industry because unlike traditional suppliers of steel buildings, Allied starts with the client and works to make a metal building fit the client's needs, instead of just trying to take a building and make it fit the traditional steel building model. Being an undeterred solutionist means looking at creative ways to solve problems throughout the construction process. I would say going to any lengths and often unorthodox engineering solutions in order to meet unique client needs.